Dear Diary, welcome to R&R family.
Hey guys! Welcome back to our channel. Okay, so we're back and we're gonna introduce ourselves again. So this is Sophia, this is Daddy Mac, and this is Kuya Ro, and I am Mommy. Yes. So just a quick backstory or a quick background. We started our channel back in 2019. So it was during the. What are you doing? It was during the pandemic. Tapos ang lagi naming binavlog noon is our daily life. Ano ba yung farm life namin and yung mga milestones ng mga bata, ganyan. But then in 2022, we stopped vlogging kasi me and Daddy migrated here in Australia, and for 2 years, naiwan si Sophia and si Ro in the Philippines. Right? Yeah. Why are you not talking, guys? So, yan. Naiwan sila doon and we became busy here in Australia. But now, in 2025, look at them. They're here! So, we are back together again. Yeah, it's recording. I just checked. So, we're back again and we decided, as requested by Ro and Sophia, na ituloy namin yung aming pag-upload sa YouTube. Kasi, mga binabalikan nila yung mga old videos namin and natutuwa sila. Kaya, yeah, so we just want to record the moment. Kasi basically, every week and nagpaplano kami ng lakad. So, yeah, gusto naming i-record yon and ipakita siya sa inyo. So, ayan. What can you say, guys? Go! Tell something about yourself. Tell something about yourself. Go. What grade are you in? So guys, di pa sila ganun ka-confident mag-English ng dire-diretso. Pero, they're settling well sa school nila. So, kanina naka-receive ako ng feedback from their English school teacher. So, ito guys, special siya na teacher, specifically binigay ng school for Ro and Sophia para makakatch up sila sa English language. Kasi, syempre, sa Pilipinas, kahit na yung turo nila is mostly in English, majority ng mga nakakausap kasi nila is Tagalog or in our dialect, Ilocano. So, hindi sila ganun ka-confident magsalita ng English. Pero, I was so surprised kasi yung feedback ng English teacher nila sa amin is very good. Sinabi nila na nakaka-settle sila very well. Nga pala guys, 3 weeks na silang pumapasok sa school dito. And, 1 month na nila, kailan ba? Nung 7 dito sa Australia. So, ang bilis ng panahon. Dito sa clip na to. Yes?
What is that? Wait,
Ay. Ayun. So, ayan lang. Ano pa ba? Nag-enjoy ba kayo sa school?
Yeah!
How about you, Kuya?
Yeah.
Sobrang nag-enjoy sila sa school.
I'm playing handball.
Okay, she's playing handball.
To go to school.
Yeah, so dito kasi sa loob ng bahay guys, yung language pa rin namin ay Filipino. Tinatagalog ko pa din sila kasi I believe na yung English language, matututunan nila yan sa school. So gusto ko kapag nagsisermon ako, kinakausap ko sila in Tagalog pa din para hindi nila makalimutan yon. And yun lang. And next na vlog siguro namin, I will upload na yung gagawin kong intro and outro. And then, what else? Intro and outro. And then, mag-upload na ako ng first official vlog probably mga in 2 to 3 weeks time. Kasi medyo busy din naman tayo dito. So, ayun lang. Ewan ko, ako na lang nagsasalita dito, guys.
Love you, Mama.
I love you. Alright. Ano sasabihin mo sa vlog natin? Yung intro mo? Go!
Dear Diary, welcome to R&R family.
Alright. Bye!
Bye!
Bye!